Some objects are so common, we rarely consider their origins. The condom is one such object, ubiquitous, trusted, yet mysterious in its making. Billions are produced each year, but few know the journey from raw latex to finished product. This is a story of precision, science, and global health. The process starts in nature and ends in a sealed package, each step critical to safety and reliability. Factories are highly controlled, blending natural materials with industrial precision. Every stage is monitored, every product tested, all to create a perfect, reliable barrier. Today, we'll reveal the hidden complexity behind this overlooked invention. This is the unseen story of the condom, from nature to protection. Our journey begins in Southeast Asia, among rows of Hevea brasiliensis trees, the source of natural rubber. Skilled tappers make precise cuts, collecting milky latex in small cups. Early morning tapping yields the most fluid, and each tree can provide latex for years. The raw latex is stabilized with ammonia, then shipped to factories. There, it's tested, centrifuged to remove impurities, and concentrated. Next, it's compounded, mixed with chemicals like sulfur for strength, accelerators for curing, and antioxidants for longevity. This transforms the natural liquid into a high-performance material. The result? A refined latex, ready for manufacturing. From tree to tank, every step ensures quality and consistency. Now the real transformation begins. In the factory, glass or ceramic formers are cleaned and dipped into the latex. The speed and number of dips control thickness and strength. After each dip, the latex sets and dries. A second dip ensures durability. A ring is formed at the base for strength and fit. The coated formers move through ovens, where heat and chemicals cure the latex into elastic rubber. This vulcanization is crucial, turning liquid into resilient material. Once cured, condoms are stripped from the formers by water jets and brushes. They cascade into collection chutes, ready for testing. Each step is automated, precise, and essential for safety. Before packaging, every condom faces strict testing. Each is electronically checked for pinholes, any flaw, and it's instantly rejected. Random samples undergo airburst tests, inflating until they pop to ensure strength. Tensile tests stretch rings of latex to measure durability and flexibility. Batches that fail are destroyed, no exceptions. Accelerated aging tests simulate years of storage, verifying long-term reliability. Only after passing all tests does a batch move forward. This relentless quality control protects users worldwide. Every condom is a product of science, not chance. Safety is never compromised. After testing, condoms are washed to remove residues and reduce odor. They're dried and dusted with powder to prevent sticking. Next, they're lubricated, tumbled with precise amounts of silicone or water-based lubricant for comfort and safety. Some may receive specialty lubricants, but all are strictly controlled. Each condom is then sealed in an airtight foil pouch by automated machines. The foil protects against air, light, and damage. Dates and batch codes are printed for traceability. Final checks ensure every packet is sealed and contains a condom. Now, they're ready for boxing and shipment. Sealed packets travel to automated boxing machines, counted and packed into branded boxes. Boxes are sealed, bundled, and stacked onto pallets for global distribution. Barcodes and tracking link each batch for safety recalls if needed. Pallets are shipped worldwide, to stores, clinics, and health organizations. The logistics ensure a steady supply everywhere, from cities to remote villages. What began as a drop of latex now spans continents. The humble condom is a triumph of nature, science, and industry. Behind every box lies a world of precision, protecting millions every day.